A dab of hot pink, dab of blue and a touch of glitter with the falsies, and you can create this easy ombre look step by step. Begin by combing and shaping my eyebrow. Next, I'll use primer and set it with the loose powder to help further tone down any discoloration. Starting with eyes is always easy to clean up if any fall out. The palette I'm using, that is from Swiss Beauty Professional. It has variety of hues. Ombre eyes are always about several shades of light, medium and dark together. But I'm just using 2 hot dark shades for fun. I was quite happy with the result also. And for more twist, I'm using glitter as a liner, but whenever you apply glitter, use two-way glue because this glue is specially formulated to lock down your eye glitter. Further, using LA Girl Pro Concealer, honestly this product impressed me a lot. It covers all my dark patches under the eyes with light and creamy consistency. Warming up a pump of foundation from Kiko Milano, this allowed the foundation to help the skin more easy and quick way. Adding a very light dimension to the face to make it soft look with a bold eyes. Finishing up with a very soft pink blush and highlighter. So here's my final look. I hope you guys like my work. If you do, then share my work to your friends and family, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Take very good care of yourself.